have a video today. Dracula. We're going to see Dracula at our school. Woo! Just following the railroad track. I'm wondering how well we're going to be able to follow the railroad track this way. I have a mullet. No, but it's curly. I have a curly mullet. It's like a really thick strand and it's really curly. I have a rat tail. They have like really good cheap tacos there. At Tequila, Mexico. Mexico. It was a joke. Okay? Humor. Develop it. Develop humor. Okay. Shut up. You're a butthead. Gosh, you're so mean today. I know, I've called like 5 people buttheads. Bros. Coolest place for the coolest kids. That's not even the real jingle. Oh, I thought that wasn't the actual jingle. I'm like, wow. No. Never even heard that place. She's actually almost swallow your gum. Yeah. Do you have gum with you? Yeah. There's no hot dogs at Jiffy Lube. Oh. I don't like anything that has the name or the word lube in it. Big A Motel. Why mufflers. Why don't you like things with lube in it, Morgan? Morgan, pay attention. You're like, mufflers, motels, guys. There was a dude with his shirt off. Go in the mobile home park. Let's go in there. I actually really want to go in there. Slow children. Aw, poor children. Why did I have to advertise that? Amputee children. Oh, they have no feet and hands. I have no idea. You don't understand anything. I don't. You should live in the slow children area. Oh, that is so mean. 4 months tomorrow. Still, you're a little lady. What's with the shoulder pop? We're gonna go get food. At a grocery store. The right grocery store. She's like, let's go to State Bros. And then it was Smart and Final. And we're like, yeah. So we left. It was like glitter poop. Fancy poop. No, it was a terrible metaphor. We bought a whole container of grilled chicken. We're gonna bring it into our school. Hopefully they're not like, no food. What do we do with all this